Hi, my name is Davis Fisher, and this is my multimedia for the What's Your Number project. So let's just jump right into it. So I chose 3 objects. I chose ketchup, I chose mayonnaise, and I chose soy sauce, but in the opposite order. And I wanted to find out how many sodium molecules were in those 3 condiments. I asked how many molecules of sodium are in soy sauce, how many molecules of sodium are in mayonnaise, how many sodium molecules are in ketchup, and those were them. So first, before we jump into the math, before we jump into the science, we have to start off with some basics. So number one is that the molar mass of sodium is 23 grams. And great, that's it. Throughout the calculation process, we have to know a couple of conversion methods to get from milligrams to molecules. So we have to know what milligrams to gram is, which is the number of milligrams times 1 gram over 1,000 milligrams. And then we have to know what grams to moles is, which is the number of grams times 1 mole over the molar mass of sodium, which is 23. And then we have to know moles to molecules, which is the number of moles times avocado's number, which is 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23. So pretty simple. However, I did make a few assumptions throughout this process. I assumed that the number of milligrams that was in each product was the exact number per serving, which could be wrong, like straight up. Let's just hop right into the process. For soy sauce, there are 879 grams of sodium in 1 serving of soy sauce, which is 16 grams. So to find out how many molecules of sodium there are in that 1 serving, we would have to take 879 milligrams times, here, I'll write it right here, 879 milligrams times 1 gram over 1,000 milligrams, which would give us 0.879 grams. And then we take the amount of grams, multiply it by 1 mole over the molar mass, which is 23, as we said, and then that would give us our number of moles, which is a big number, or it's a small number, but too small to say, times avocado's number, which would be 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23, which gives us 2.3 times 10 to the power of 22. And that is how many molecules are in 1 serving of soy sauce. And for mayonnaise, there are 88 milligrams of sodium in 1 serving. So we take the milligrams times 1 gram over 1,000 grams, which gives us 0.088 grams. And then we take the amount of grams, multiply it by 1 mole over 23 grams, which is the molar mass, which gives us 3.82 times 10 to the negative 3rd power. And then we multiply that by avocado's number, which gives us 2.3 times 10 to the power of 21. To the power of 21. That is how many molecules of sodium are in 1 serving of mayonnaise. And for ketchup, the fan favorite. Starting off, you know the process, bro. We take total amount of milligrams in 1 serving, multiply it by 1 gram over 1,000 milligrams, and then that gives us 0.154. And then we take that number, multiply it by 1 mole over 23, and it gives us 6.69 times 10 to the negative 3rd power. And then we take that value, which is the amount of moles, and multiply that by avocado's number, which gives us 4.02 times 10 to the 22nd power. And that is how many molecules are in 1 serving of ketchup. That is how many molecules of sodium are in 1 serving of ketchup. So yeah, do I have to talk about anything else? Alright, so that's everything. That's the process. Just to restate, there are 2.3 times 10 to the 21st power number of molecules in soy sauce. There are 2.3 times 10 to the 22nd power molecules of sodium in mayonnaise. And there are 4.20 times 10 to the 22nd power molecules in ketchup. And that is everything. Or so I hope. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next multimedia presentation. Yeah. So dope. So dope.